Have you ever noticed how successful people seem to have their mornings mastered? A powerful morning routine can set the tone for productivity and success throughout your day. Let's explore a morning routine that can help you start your day right and unlock your full potential. Step 1. Hydrate. Visual of someone drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning. Step 1. Hydrate. After a night of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Start your day with a glass of water. It kickstarts your metabolism, boosts energy levels, and helps clear your mind. This simple act can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day. Step 2. Mindfulness. Visual of someone meditating in a quiet space or journaling. Step 2. Practice mindfulness. Take 5 to 10 minutes for meditation, deep breathing, or journaling. This quiet time allows you to center your thoughts, reduce stress, and focus on your intentions for the day. A calm mind leads to better decision-making. Step 3. Move your body. Visual of someone doing light stretching or yoga. Step 3. Move your body. Incorporate some form of physical activity into your morning. Whether it's yoga, a quick workout, or even a brisk walk, moving your body releases endorphins and increases your energy. It helps wake you up and prepares you mentally for the challenges ahead. Step 4. Set clear goals. Visual of someone writing in a planner or making a to-do list. Step 4. Set clear goals. Take a few minutes to write down your top priorities for the day. Ask yourself, what do I need to accomplish? By having a clear focus, you'll be more productive and less likely to get sidetracked by distractions. Step 5. Healthy breakfast. Visual of a nutritious breakfast being prepared, like oatmeal, eggs, or a smoothie. Step 5. Fuel your body with a healthy breakfast. A nutritious meal provides the energy you need to tackle your day. Opt for foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and whole grains. This nourishment helps improve concentration and keeps your energy levels steady. Step 6. Limit distractions. Visual of someone turning off notifications on their phone. Step 6. Limit distractions. Avoid diving into social media or emails first thing in the morning. Protect this valuable time for yourself. Focusing on your routine without interruptions allows you to start your day with purpose and clarity. Visual of someone confidently stepping out the door, ready to face the day. Implementing these simple steps can transform your mornings and lead you to success. A great day starts with a great morning. Start with intention and watch how it positively impacts your life. Remember, the journey to success begins with how you choose to start your day. Text on screen. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life.